Okay, so we're asked to graph this inequality, and I know that because there's an absolute value, absolute values are going to make a V-type shape. Now, what we have to remember is that this positive 1 right here is causing one type of transformation. This positive 2 or add 2 is causing a different type of transformation. And then we also have this 2 in front. Well, I know that the plus 1 is going to move left 1, and then the plus 2 on the outside is going to mean move up 2. So what that tells me is if I start right here at 0, 0, I need to move left 1 and up 2. So this green dot is going to be my starting dot. Now, remember that the orange right here, 2, is really 2 over 1, which is going to be my rise and my run for this problem. So starting at my green dot right here, I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. So here's another dot that's going to belong on my V shape. Rise 2, run 1. And then I run out of space, so if I just kind of pretend here I can rise 2 and run 1, there's going to be a dot right about here. Now I can do the same thing and just say rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1, rise 1, 2, run 1. So that's what my V is going to look like. Now, because there's no equals right here, this is going to have to be a dashed line. So I'm going to use my highlighter tool and a ruler, and first I'm going to draw my lines, then I'm going to erase some of them because it should be a dashed line rather than a solid line. So dashing this line. The last thing that I need to take a look at here is to say, I need this to be less than 4. Well, if I take a look at where 4 is, 4 on this picture, I'm going to make it cyan. 4 is right here. So if I just draw a horizontal line, I need it to be below 4. Well, the only part of this picture that is below 4 is going to be this part of the V right here. This is the only part of the V that's below 4. So if I color the part of the drawing where that's happening, it's going to be an open circle here, an open circle here, and then anywhere between them. So writing that answer, my answer starts at -2, goes all the way to 0, and because they're open dots, it gets a parenthesis and a parenthesis.